A visit to the local library. Off to the Halton Hills Public Library I go. I don my coat, my excitement in tow. Eager to discover a great new read, return some items, my due date to heed. Anticipation alive, I fling open the door. This building of opportunity I love to explore. It's a space of fascination, wonder, and joy. I think of the endless possibilities to employ. I'm ready to explore, to feed my imagination in this place of wonder, knowledge, and inspiration. So much to choose from, where do I start? The many games and puzzles I know by heart. 3D printing, what a thrill, what a sight. Creative opportunities abound outright. Should I make a graphic, then a t-shirt to show? My thoughts leap to life and possibilities overflow. I amaze at the special collections to borrow. A bike lock, a life vest, a park pass to follow. Or maybe some movies tonight I can view. Reserve a home theater kit for family and crew. I love this place of learning and innovation. I even visit when I require information. Wide open spaces and quiet areas to delight. So many items, books, and resources in sight. Program and process, I watch with admiration. Smiles on faces, laughter, and voices of adulation. A place of connection, of engagement and fun, where the community gathers and passions are spun. My library is welcoming and inclusive, I see, and with my card in hand, the membership is free. It welcomes visitors, patrons, and the community akin, people of all ages, diversity, and ability all in. This institution of opportunity and lifelong learning fills me with pride, hope, and infinite yearning. So come for a visit to enjoy and partake. This community treasure is yours. Make no mistake.